ये लो, ये डिस्काउंट भी ना बहुत ही गजब चीज है। अभी कपड़े लेकर आ रहा हूं और 3 शर्ट्स पे 30% ऑफ, पर 2 खरीदूंगा तो नो डिस्काउंट, एक लिया तो भी डिस्काउंट नहीं। कुछ ऐसा ही होता है एक कंपनी का राइट्स इशू। तो आइए आज उसके बारे में सीखते हैं। वेलकम टू अ न्यू सीरीज लर्न विद अपस्टॉक्स। आई एम आदित्य अयंगर और इस सीरीज में हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट सम की एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस, कॉर्पोरेट एक्शंस एंड सम इंपॉर्टेंट जनरल कॉन्सेप्ट्स अबाउट द स्टॉक मार्केट। So let's discuss the topic of rights issue, in which we're going to talk about कि rights issue क्या होते हैं, ये कंपनी कब देती है और वो किस किस को दिए जाते हैं। A rights issue is a company offering you the right to buy more shares. मतलब the company is offering you the chance to increase your stake instead of giving it to an outsider or a new person. The existing shareholders get exclusive rights to buy more shares. This is done in ratios. Recently, Reliance ने एक rights issue किया था in a 1:15 ratio, wherein you had the chance to buy 1 extra share for a slightly lower price for every 15 shares you hold. एक rights issue बस और पैसे रेज करने का एक तरीका होता है। The only difference being वो capital existing shareholders के through raise किया जाता है instead of new people. This helps shareholders to increase their stake in the company, and the incentive to do so is a discount on the extra shares offered. यहाँ पे Reliance के केस में the shareholders were given 1 extra share for every 15 shares they held at a discounted price of 1257 rupees per share. जबकि market price on the day of the issue was approximately 1527 rupees. In the case of rights issue, you only get these rights if you own the shares on or before a specified record date जो कंपनी ही अनाउंस करती है. After this date, you cannot buy those extra shares. Companies prefer rights issues to normal stock issues because ये method non-dilutive होता है. As existing shareholders are offered a bigger stake, new shareholders don't dilute and reduce their ownership. And in this case, the company's existing directors also try to buy more shares, as these shares are cheaper than the market price. And always remember that the company owners and directors buying up more is a good sign, which shows कि वो अपने ही business में believe करते हैं. But does this mean that a rights issue is always a good thing? Well, that depends on what the business wants to do with the extra money that you give them. A company will always announce its plans to handle the extra capital when it announces the rights issue. As an investor, अगर आप इस spending से और उस कंपनी के expansion plan से सहमत हो, तो ही वो rights issue subscribe करना एक smart decision होगा. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching our video on rights issues on our series Learn with Upstocks. I hope you learned something today, and if you find value in these videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions regarding the video, do leave a comment below and let us know कि आपको किस stock का rights issue देखने पसंद आएगा. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll know every time we are uploading videos.